Yo, what's good, my people? Let's just get right to it. I'm not an instructor. I'm not a teacher. Nope. What am I? I'm a leader. I'm an influencer. And I'm here to lead and influence you on the right direction and the right path. And there's a lot of people hitting me up and they want to come to these one-on-one sessions. Well, let me know you're serious. If you're serious, hit me up. We can teach you the skills that you need to learn to get where you're going. This is not a job placement. This is not a school. This is just me teaching you my skill. So hit me up, guys. It's real. I'm Wallyz Welding World. You might know me as the Weld Professor. I'm real. I'm right here. Hit me up. I'm trying to get my bed done. I'm rushing to get my bed done. I pulled it off and the work's hitting me up and they're like, you ready? So be ready for the opportunity when it arises. Don't not be caught with your pants down, guys. It's real out here. It's raining or it's about to rain. But you know what? I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta progress and I gotta get through it. So until this bed's done, I'm not letting up, and I'm just on here to motivate and pump you guys up to let you know I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you guys. If you don't think it's real, it's real. I'm gonna get these welds and I'm after it. And if you're trying to learn from me, hit me up. WallyzWeldingWorld@gmail.com. You guys know how to contact me. There's another workshop kicking off August 30th. And there's always a limited spot, you know. So the first people to actually get in on are the first people to be here and the only people to be here. I don't have a huge, large space for a lot of people. I just have a limited space for a couple of people. So hit me up if you're serious, and let's get the ball rolling. Until next time I'm out here, we'll wrap to you later. I'm out. Peace.